It was my first day in Odisha and I'm all dressed up for dinner. Look at the Swasti Chilka Lake restaurant. So today was my veg day, so I had to order veg. First was the crispy baby corn. This has to be my starter always. And they made it so spicy and yummy. I loved it. 5 out of 5 for this starter. I really hate going to a place and eating just dal, chawal or curd rice, but today is a veg day. And good that I had dal, chawal and dum aloo and it was super yummy. Didn't expect dal tadka to be that yummy. It's a 4-star hotel and a restaurant. Let me know what do you think. How much would be the bill of the day?